Hello, I'm Julie Kuhn from the PATINS Project, here to demonstrate a handwriting recognition app. While there are variations including note-taking, handwriting input, and converting handwriting to text, the one I am demonstrating today sends handwriting directly to text. There is built-in error correction through word prediction and keyboard functions such as backspace. Handwriting recognition can be a powerful tool for students because this form of keyboarding allows a student to deliver the content and depth of what they are writing more quickly and with fewer corrections. Let's look at Mazec by MetaMoji Corporation. It's compatible with iOS 8 or later on iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Android devices. Mazec is an alternative keyboard that you add to your keyboard options. In an iPad, go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Keyboards. Select Mazec and allow full access to use all the available features. Now that it is open, you will see that Mazec is an on-screen keyboard. When I start writing, Mazec immediately offers word prediction, and I can correct errors using the backspace. This menu is set on All, meaning it will recognize numbers, symbols, and both uppercase and lowercase letters. Since the keyboard is not a standalone package, you will need to have a place to send your work, so a document, social media, email, etc. will need to be opened. Thank you for watching this episode of PATINS TV.
Find us by searching PATINS Project on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, or on the web at patinsproject.org.